Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see Indian Independence Day speech in English. Short Independence Day speech in English for kids. Good morning everyone, good morning and happy 77th Independence Day to my respected teachers and dear friends. Today as we celebrate 77th Independence Day, we should feel proud to be a part of an independent nation where we have freedom of speech and freedom to live life in our own way. India achieved Independence Day on 15th August 1947. It is the day India became free from British rule for almost 200 years and after a continuous struggle by our freedom fighters. On this day, the national flag was unfurled and hoisted on Red Fort, Delhi by our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Since then, we are celebrating Independence Day every year in every government department, school and colleges. So today, on this special day, let's take the pledge and make a promise to ourselves that we will always protect our country by maintaining brotherhood, helping everyone, and educating ourselves. At last, I again wish you all happy Independence Day and hope together we can build a wonderful nation. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.